Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to this video conference and tutoring. Listen to the information, pay attention, and follow the step going by going. If you don't understand a part, please you can repeat the video to do it again. Now, let's pay attention. All right. So guys, this morning we're going to work doing our science lab. This class, we're going to do an investigation report class. So probably you say, hey, what is an investigation report? The investigation report, friends, is a register where you register and analyze information. So the first one, guys, open your science book on page 66. Okay, so you can prepare your materials. If you prefer, you can pause the video in this moment while you prepare your material. Now, step one. This, guys, is the information you have in your science lab report. In this class, guys, the report is about the solar energy observation. So, in that solar energy observation, guys, we have different parts. A basic framework, observation, research question, hypothesis, and prediction. Let's do it. Okay, guys, in this exercise, in step 2, we are going to read the basic framework part. Okay, you are going to read that information carefully. Check vocabulary if is necessary, right? Now, step 3. Guys, you are going to open a PowerPoint document, right? So, if you need more time, you can pause my video in this moment. Okay. As you open your document in PowerPoint, observe what you have to prepare. In your Word document, my friends, you have to make a picture story. Using the basic framework information on page 66, guys, you're going to use that information and you look in the internet, pictures connected, and you create a picture story about the basic information. There is no limit of pictures, guys, so you can use the pictures as you consider necessary, so you can do it. Here I have one example, guys. Notice the example. The plant absorbs solar energy to produce glucose. Guys, remember, this is an example. You don't need to copy. The plant absorbs solar energy to produce glucose. So, the plant absorbs solar energy to produce glucose. You see, I use different pictures to speak about the story. Now, guys, is your chance. This is the basic framework, friends. We're going to speak about solar energy. It's your turn. You can pause this video, guys, for 6 minutes and you read the information and prepare this moment in PowerPoint, your basic framework picture story. Go ahead, pause the video. Well, guys, so I suppose that you finished your PowerPoint. Don't forget, guys, that this PowerPoint has to be in the platform, in our Moodle platform. So don't forget to upload it. Okay, let's continue. In step 5, guys, we're going to speak about the observation. Let's read that information also, guys, in the observation. On a hot day, Andrea realized that some things become very hot when placed in sunlight. After she made this observation, she wondered if the heat provided by the energy of the sun could be used to cook food. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think it is possible to cook food using solar energy? Answer in your book. What do you think? You can pause the video in this moment to answer in your book. So you have to read the observation and complete in your book the answer. Step 6. We're going to check the research question, class. This question is very important because it's the investigation question. In any experiment, friends, we make a research question. So, in that experiment, our research question is, can food be cooked by putting a pot in sunlight? Hmm, this is the research question. That is, my friends, the information we are going to study. So, okay, that's the research question, guys. So, can food be cooked by putting a pot in sunlight? Hmm. Well, what do you think? This is what we are going to discover in our investigation. So good. Now it is time to check our hypothesis. This is important, friends. In a hypothesis, guys, we make a prognosis. So you say, teacher, a prognosis? What's that word? It's a prediction. Okay, guys, here you have in your book an example, you have an exercise, sorry. Make the correct hypothesis for the research question. And you have two options, but only one is the correct. Number 1 says, solar energy can be used to cook food. Do you think is that the hypothesis? Or solar energy is not sufficient to cook food? Okay, you have to mark what is the hypothesis in this investigation. When we make a prognosis about a fact or phenomenon based on scientific studies, we are making a prognosis. My friends, remember, prognosis is a prediction. Mark, what is the correct hypothesis? What is the correct prognosis? Wow. I am sure at this moment, guys, that you have completed most of the information is necessary here. So it's time to finish this exercise. So guys, the question is, can you make a prediction? Okay, in our books, we have that prediction part. Guys, what would happen if I put a marshmallow, that sponge candy marshmallows, inside a box lined with aluminum foil and place the box directly in sunlight? We are going to make a prediction, guys. What would happen if this? If you don't understand the vocabulary or the ideas, you can use dictionaries or translator. So guys, make your prediction. What would happen if I put a marshmallow inside a box lined with aluminum foil and place in the box directly to the sun? What do you think? Okay, guys, now this moment, take a picture of your evidence. And this picture has to be, guys, uploaded in a PDF format in the platform. I am going to check that information. Make sure, guys, in the platform you have the information to upload this. Don't forget, upload it today, guys. Keep it there in your mind. So, it was fantastic, my friends, to work with you like this. I hope you enjoy the new experience. So, guys, at any moment we'll be together. And don't forget, keep practicing on. Bye bye. And keep studying. So, see you and have an excellent day. Bye bye, my friends.